everyone, it's Stephanie and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be taking a walk through our newest card kit called Merry and Bright. This is a fantastic card kit, perfect for the holidays, and it has some really great products. So let's go ahead and take a look. First up, we have the Merry and Bright 4x6" stamp set. This has a bunch of different Merry and Bright sentiments in different types of fonts. You have some of the letters that are open. And we also have this phrase builder dynamics that coordinates with the stamp set. And we'll cut out that Merry and Bright in one pass of your die cutting machine. So you only need to stamp it once and then you can die cut it completely, and you'll have 3 different sentiment strips to create that sentiment. It's a really fun stamp set that has a ton of possibilities. Next up, we have the Christmas Lights Dynamics. This is a fantastic die set that features 3 different Christmas lights with all of the coordinating pieces, and it also includes 2 different strings with little loops in them, so you can customize the design you want to create on your card. So you can cut out all of the individual pieces and assemble your lights on your card front to create some really colorful designs perfect for the holidays. This month's kit also includes an exclusive stamp set that you can only get in the kit, and it's called Let's Get Lit. It's going to stamp out this really fun sentiment onto your card fronts, and it's going to pair perfectly with the Christmas Lights Dynamics to create some really great holiday designs like this one here on screen. The paper pad included in this month's kit is called Very Merry, and it includes 12 different designs with 2 each of those designs. It is a beautiful, non-traditional holiday color palette, and you're going to love mixing and matching all of the different patterns on your card fronts. And then of course we have a great selection of cardstock. This month you're going to be receiving 5 sheets of the Smooth White, and then 1 sheet each of Tickled Pink, Ripe Raspberry, Red Hot, Limelight, Green Room, and Summer Splash. So a great set of cardstock that coordinates nicely with the pattern papers. Now let's go ahead and take a closer look at all of those pattern papers out of the pad, just so you can see the beautiful, colorful options that you'll have when putting your cards together. Okay, so let's take one more quick look at everything coming in this month's kit. You have the Very Merry paper pad and all of your cardstock. We have the Merry and Bright stamp set, as well as the phrase builder dynamics that's going to coordinate with that Merry and Bright sentiment. We have the Christmas Lights Dynamics, which features 3 different lights. And then we also have the exclusive stamp set that is only available in this month's kit called Let's Get Lit. Now I do want to share as well the Free with 60 that's going to release with this month's kit. That die is going to be called Holly Berries and features this great set of holly with both individual and groups of berries that can be die cut and added to the design. The Free with 60 Dynamics is yours free with a purchase of $60 or more before taxes and discounts while supplies last. So there is a quick look at our new Merry and Bright card kit. It has so many great options for you to customize your card designs. There are tons of different pattern papers, different sentiment options, as well as those fun Christmas lights, and of course that exclusive stamp set that you're only going to find in this month's kit. We hope you enjoyed this preview of our new September card kit, and we can't wait to see what you guys create. As always, I appreciate you being here for another video, and I hope to see you again soon. Thanks so much for watching.